Hi JC, how are you? Good evening, nandito tayo sa Azalea. Okay, yan. So guys, quick walkthrough lang dito sa kama namin, dito sa shower room. Yan. So may TV. And we have ref dito. Meron din kaming kusina, kompleto. So yan. Ayan, meron dito dining na maliit, and then we have another bedroom. So yan. Oh, hi, say hello. Oh,
Hi,
maganda ba? Sino katabi mo dyan?
Julian ate.
Okay, nice. We have also TV here. So guys, ito yung nirent na room for our 2 nights and 3 days stay at Baguio. So yan. Napaka-cozy ng lugar. So yan. Hinihintay pa namin yung iba. So yan yung CR. Linis. Update lang muna later if ano pa yung aming gagawin. We're having some dinner later. I think mag-Grumpy Joe. Pero yan. Sige, that's it. Later na lang guys.